Are you struggling with math? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will show you how to improve your math skills in just a few simple steps. So grab your pen and notebook, and let's get started. Step 1. Understand the basics. It's important to have a solid foundation in math. Make sure you understand the fundamentals like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Step 2. Practice, practice, practice. The key to mastering math is practice. Solve as many problems as you can to build your confidence and improve your problem-solving skills. Step 3. Use visual aids. Sometimes, visualizing math problems can make them easier to solve. Draw diagrams, use graphs, or even use objects to represent numbers. Visual aids can help you understand complex concepts more easily. Step 4. Seek help. If you're stuck on a problem or concept, don't be afraid to ask for help. Talk to your teacher, join study groups, or find online resources to clarify your doubts. Step 5. Stay positive. Math can be challenging, but don't let that discourage you. Stay positive and believe in your ability to succeed. Remember, with perseverance and a positive mindset, you can conquer any math problem. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy math learning!